Hi, everybody. This is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag Artist Journal Prompts 2024, hosted by Life with Patti. And this week's prompt was balloons. So I did a mixed media background, found a little girl image, and I got some string and going along, and she lost her balloon. She's trying to reach out for it. And I got some buttons for little and some little ribbon along the kite string. There's some multiple different layers on here of paint. There's blues, pinks, yellows, orange, a little neon colors as well. And then I left just a black and white image of the girl. And then the balloon is just white with some writing, and then I put this other balloon inside of it just to add to it. But that is my prompt for week 16, balloon. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.